left momentum. So after this crossover, I got this very strong angle to the downside. So it's telling me with today's momentum to the downside.
So I'm not gonna talk much. I'm just gonna trade, so just follow along. Alright, so guys, this is the strategy I'm using for currencies on IQ option. It's a reversal. Well, it's a hybrid strategy. I'm not gonna call it a reversal strategy because I do follow the trend as well. But okay. So this one I'm only going to teach on one-on-ones, alright. But this is for people who are serious, right? Because I notice some people think binaries cannot be profitable. Okay, this trade is winning again, alright? I'll try to speak less because I tend to lose a bit of focus when I'm speaking while trading. So let's okay, we have 19 seconds on the other trade. Okay, it was good. Didn't like this entry, just kept out here, but 2 minutes will always make up for that. So in fact, I gave it like 3 minutes or so, right? Okay. Do we have something here? I believe we do, right? I believe we do. Yeah, I'm gonna take this one. Even a better entry. Yeah, I took this one for 2.5 minutes. Plus 30 seconds, 3 minutes, right? So I think we're doing very well so far. Okay, not a very convincing win, but it's a win nonetheless. So let's keep hunting more trades. I think we have an opportunity here for a sell. Doesn't look very convincing. Okay, let's not rush. Let's not rush. We're not gonna take opportunities. I'll take this one. I'll give it. Since it's already going up, I'll only give it like 1.5 minutes, so that's 2 minutes. I might regret that, but I'm okay with 2 minutes on this one. Let's see how it goes. Okay, it seems I was right by saying that it should actually get little time, right? But then I lost the trade anyways. Let's see though. No, I think it's still valid. Let's do just to make it back. If we do win, then I'll go back to 250 regardless of whether I win or lose this one. But the reason I increased to 260 was that so that I break even, right? If I win the 260 trade, I'll break even, and then it will just give me my 250 back, right? Well, 254, so that's like a positive break even, right? Anyway, so I did see that see this week right here, it was a little bit of a concern for me as well. So that's why I only wanted to give it very little time. And now I have 2 weeks. This is a rejection, so we might see a continuation downside here. So, but I think maybe it should retest this zone one last time before it moves back down, right? Let's see. Okay. See, I still would have lost this trade if I gave it 1 more minute, right? Because I think that 1 more minute would close on this candle right here. So I still would have lost the trade, right? So we got another retest, and you can see a strong rejection immediately after this. So if it's trying so hard to go up and it's failing, where is it gonna go? It's going to go down, right? Yeah, so but hopefully we're going to stay above just a little longer. I gave this one 3 minutes as well. So yeah, see what I mean? Like when I talk too much, I tend to lose a bit of focus. So let me try and keep quiet, right? A bit. That's another rejection. Okay, it hasn't closed. As soon as it closes, we'll see. Okay, it's a bullish but a very weak bullish candle. But for the first time, we're seeing a stronger wick on the downside. So it might be good news. I don't know, let's see. This is a very strong zone. So whichever way it goes after this, it will go with momentum. So if it breaks this zone, right? Like let me mark it, right? So let's say it breaks below this and above here, right? Whichever way it breaks, it will go with very strong momentum, right? Because as you can see, this is like an area where a lot of discussion is happening, a lot of battling is happening, like so there's some indecision around this. If you look at this candle on a higher time frame, you will see that it will show like a very small body. So it's an indecision candle right here. But let's see here. I'm looking at breaking above 93.76 or below 93.74. That 2-pip range is very important. Ideally, we would want a break to the downside because number one, we are in the down trend, and secondly, we're already coming from this area here, and we see those rejection. They started rejecting the upside there. So yeah, the thing is with price action, you have to be careful, right? You have to be careful. So luckily I've broken even. Okay, it's just taking forever. Okay, maybe there's something. Let's give it 2 more minutes and see. If it doesn't break this after 2 minutes, at least I set my zone, my alerts. We'll come back to it. Probably missing good opportunities on other trades. Okay, broke this. Okay, let's go back to it. It's now breaking to the upside. Okay, we'll take it for 2 minutes. We'll take it for 2 minutes, right? It has broken this zone here. So I see these wicks here. We had a close above all of them, right? So I think we will see a very strong upward movement, maybe towards the cloud, right? So let's see. Let's see. But if you can just train your eye to spot these opportunities, and then try to trade with very little amount, so that even if you lose 3 in a row, it doesn't really affect you that much psychologically, because you need that psychology to be like intact, you need your state of mind to be you need to trade in the zone when you're trading this kind of strategy, because it's a hybrid kind of strategy. It mixes a lot of things together, but when you find out, like when you get in tune with it, you will see it's very accurate. You see that you will make very good trades with it, right? So yeah, man, let's see. I think we're gonna lose this one. Yeah, we probably lost this one. But if the next candle is a green candle, okay, we came back to this zone. So this was a fake out. We're going down. So now I'm certain about the downward movement. Let's go in with double, maybe 2.5. Yeah, let's go with 6, and then just give this. So this was a fake out right there, right? So we'll give this 3 minutes. Yeah, and then we'll go back to 250. Whether we win or lose this one, we have to go back to 250. That's just our money management rule. I'm only taking this amount because I've seen this happen quite a number of times, so I know how to spot a fake out, and besides, our bias is still bearish, so we'll just if we lose this trade, we have lost 600 and the 250, so it's gonna take us like about 5 trades to make this up. So yeah, that's just the sad part about having to lose a trade you are confident about. But we gave it enough time to play in our favor, if really it is in our favor. I think maybe the best thing would have been to take it once it leaves this zone, like once it breaks below these lows here. I think this would have been like the best idea, but I think 2 minutes is enough. I mean, we gave it 3 minutes. I think it's still enough here. So we're probably going to lose if the overall direction is wrong, like the market is no longer going down here. So let's just wait and see. I said I was gonna do less talking, but I don't know what came over me. Now I'm just talking non-stop. So let me pause the talking a bit and let's just watch the trade. Okay guys, it's breaking this low here. I'm gonna take another short position here. Let's see though. If this candle closes as a bearish candle, then I'm going to take another 3-minute sell position here. And it is closing bearish, and it's closing below this low here. So I'm going for another 3 minutes. Let's make it 4. Yeah. All right. Then we can just go back to this one. So this was a fake out, guys. The fake outs are very accurate. It's basically the way it works is you have a zone, right? Remember I told you this was a very good zone. This was a very strong zone. So if whatever it's going to do, if it breaks up, it's going to do that with momentum, right? And then guess what? It did break out, and then that's it caught us because we jumped in on this upward movement, and then we're only right for just like a minute, and then after that we got a very strong bearish candle, and that to us tells us that this fake out is so this is just a retest now, right? This is just a retest. We are now retesting this position here, right? Yeah, we are now retesting this more like a support, right? So you should be buying, I mean you should be selling around this point as well. So anyways, so you have a range or a zone, right, where you have like a lot of wicks, a lot of rejection, and then the price will break above or below that point. And then once it does that, it will do almost immediately with conviction, like with a strong price movement, it will do the exact opposite. So that exact opposite, like it's telling you, no, this is the actual direction of the market. So you just go in with the guy that's just won the battle, because it's more like this guy punched first, but this one gave a stronger punch, so he knocked this guy out. And then yeah, that's just basically how fake outs play out, right? You see what I did there, how fake out play out. Anyways, so yeah, that's basically it. So you have to see this quite a number of times for you to be able to spot them in real time, right? Okay, we should be going down now. What's happening? It's taking forever to go down because I'm currently losing the other trade, as you can see here. Let me show you. I'm currently losing and I don't have much time left, but I like these weeks here. See these weeks here, they're telling me price is trying to go up, but it's facing some rejection from the sellers, right? So sellers are trying to push this down, right? You're seeing very look at this now. We have 3 bullish candles, but they all fit into this one bearish candle, right? So we're probably going to win this trade here. But mind my vocabulary, I said probably, because this is just playing probabilities, right? That's all it is, probabilities. We're trading like a casino. We trade like a casino, right? We are not gambling, we are playing the edge, right? Because we know our trades, our setups, our strategy, it has an edge. So we're just going to take as many trades as we can with that strategy, and we know we're going to lose some of them, but most of them we are going to win, right? I hate these trades because they are very close. Anything can happen within the next 10 seconds. I could lose, I could win this trade, right? I don't like it. That's why I like taking trades when they break below or above. See right here, it's breaking below these lows here. Alright, but now what I see is completely different, right? So I'm not gonna take this trade to win. In fact, no. Let's switch to something else now, right? What do I have here? Okay, this was a good buying point. Maybe if I can just go down to this here, down here. If I can go.
money in 60 seconds or lose money in 60 seconds. So this is for people who